To upgrade the MRTS-7M, you will need the main unit, the cable USB-A USB-B from the set, and a computer with Windows OS and the upgrading software that we sent you. Connect the MRTS-7M main unit to the computer via USB cable. While holding the F2 key, turn on the tester using the rocker switch. Here you see the bootloader menu. Before upgrading, please make sure the bootloader version is 1.03 and higher. If the bootloader version is 1.02 and lower, it is forbidden to upgrade the device. Please contact our tech support in this case. This bootloader version is 1.05, so it's okay. Run the upgrading software on the computer. Select the COM port that is used to connect the MRTS-7M. Click on the Program Flash button. The upgrade is launched. You will see the progress here and on the tester screen. This will take about 3 minutes. Please don't turn off and don't disconnect the tester until the upgrade is finished. When the upgrade is completed, the tester turns on and you will see the logo on the screen. Verify that the operation was successful. Enter the main menu, then Settings. Select General Info. Here the firmware version should be 1.95 AB. Then also check in the EPIRB testing menu that the AIS channel has appeared and there is an option to test all 3 channels with Auto Test. Finally, make sure that your PC software is updated to the version 5.5.5 or higher, assuring the possibility to generate the consolidated test reports.